Okay, so I checked this, and it's actually broken. And this whole thing is connected wrong. It should be on the side. And the connections on the bottom are all screwed up, so I'm gonna change the faucet to a new one. Start by disconnecting it. Huh. Okay. Oh, this is a big fucking mess. Oh shit. Okay. Let's start by turning off the water, which is working, surprisingly. I think it's working. No, it's not. This sucks. That was the hot water. Let's see the cold water. Of course, it's not working as well. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the water in the home. Yeah, okay, water's off. Let's see if I can release the weight here. Yeah. That's one. That's it, broken. Yeah. Of course. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's one. Okay. Next, we'll have to release this. Okay, this is good. This is out. Right. Yeah, that's better. No. How about this side? Now it's in. It's one. Let's try this one. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah, okay. Damn. Now this should all pull out. Okay. Everything through these to screw the tap strong, tightly. So I'm gonna start here and see how it goes. 2, 3. Next. Yeah, that's not gonna be easy. Okay. This one. Yep. Okay, that's 2. Okay, not good. This will go last, I guess. Because these are tight. And okay, let's see. Again, these 2 first. This one, which is extremely tight. What the hell? Maybe I should take it out first. Yeah, take it out. I'll screw it back in later. Yeah, okay. This is good. Take this and push it in. Okay. Here, good. This is one. Okay, this is in. That's good. Okay. Now we're gonna screw it in all the way, just like that. I'm not sure to see this. Let's try it now. Screw this all the way in until it's just tight. That's good. Now, correct, which is this way. And tighten these ones here. That's one. Now we'll do the other side. Now it's tight. Now let's take a chip go here. Just do this carefully because you don't want to fuck up the plastic here. Yeah. Don't apply pressure, just let it screw naturally and then you can tighten it. Because if you fuck up the plastic, the whole faucet is gone. Good. Now it's in. You can tighten it by hand. Don't need any tools. Good. Now that's this guy here. You want to make sure there's no obstacles because this is the pull-out, and you just push it in just like that. And now we're gonna have to connect the water, hot water and cold water, which is the last easy part. Cold water. Let's do the hot water first because it's on the back. And we're going to want to tighten it. Tight. And now the cold water just here. And now we can turn on the water again. Hopefully there are no leaks anywhere. Ooh, that's good. Right, now all that's left is to connect the weight and check for leaks again one more time. I don't see anything wet. That's good. Okay, this is the weight thingy. It's pretty simple actually. You connect it in this part. That's the part that will go up and down. So you connect it about here. And now here, just screw it back in. One side, do the other side now. All right, done. Put it back, put it out, put it back. Great. Put it out, put it back in. See, when I pull it out, it goes up, goes back down. Good stuff. Working. Excellent. Done. Hope you enjoyed this.